Yeah. Check dig. It's excellent music, excellent dreams, excellent everything, excellent life. Check me. I got style and flavor. Yeah, style and flavor. The Jordans I'm sporting, they alligator. Make dough, 1,000 now and 1,000 later. Track sounding major. Our freestyles never wrote down on paper. Smoked a pound of hazel of that tropical fruit. That now and later, that left a cloud of vapors all inside the whip. Too thick for you to see inside the tent. I hop out rocking the flyers kicks. People be pointing like, damn, them nights are sick. Asking me like, hey man, where you buy your kicks? I tell some other shit like on the corner of Vine and 5th. Yes, my rhymes are sick. I believe in myself so much, man, don't buy my disc. Cause sooner or later you can't hide from it. Just ask and I supply the mix. And you can hit the streets and sell them each for 5 or 6. Guaranteed you have things tweaking for a line of this. Cause every line I spit is is designed to get your mind to flip to the point you start thinking that I am a scientist. It's X.